Welcome back to another hip hop breakdown. My name is Ceech. Today I got here Natalie. She's gonna help out with 2 more 8 counts. So let's break it down. Here we go. All the way from the top. Tempo. Let's do it. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Fist bump. Boom. Right there. All right. So guys, once again, my name is Ceech. I love to share this dance culture of ours. Every week I post dance videos to help you improve in your dance journey. So if you can benefit from this type of video, hit the like button, guys. It really helps helps out the channel more than you know. So consider subscribing if you haven't done so already, because they say it brings you 7 years of good luck. So let's get into it. Every time I break things down, guys, if you are new to this, I always break down the bottom half before we add the upper body. So this is what we're gonna do. Okay, you can look at my legs, you can look at Natalie's legs. It's all good. She does it perfectly. So here we go. Let's go play this half speed. Here we go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. I always stop at 4. Why? It's because the 1 bar is easy to focus on. All right. So this is just a kickball change, guys. And this version of kickball change is the easy one where we're not even hopping, okay? So let's go back again one more time. I'm gonna start with my right leg. I kick on the 1. Notice though, I want you guys to notice on my left foot, I raise up, right? I raise up. So I'm using some of my hamstrings right there. Hamstrings. Kick on the 1. That's the 1 and, okay, that's when you step down. 1 and 2. I step back on the 2 and. Notice the slide back on the end, right? I'm gonna rewind it one more time. If you guys don't watch it, if you don't notice it, I'm gonna make sure that you notice it right here. Why am I studying all the time? Here we go. We have 1 and, okay? 2 and. You see how the slide back on the 2 and, okay? Kick on the 3 again. This is 3 and 4 and. Notice the slide back on the end. That's why I don't want you to get noticed, okay? All right. So as far as arms, guys, really simple. We're not really doing anything. Just don't let your arms flail. Control your arms. I keep my arms to the side. Here we go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So Natalie's doing a great job. Keep the hands on the side. I kind of change it, right? If you guys see right here, when I kick on the 1, here we go. I go 1. I'm kicking with my right leg, but it's my left hand that's in front. So it should be natural, right? When you're naturally walking, left hand front, right leg front, right? And then when you reverse it, right when I kick, boom, I change arm, okay? This is 3 and 4. All right, guys, we are gonna move on to the second part of the first 8 count. This is 5, hold the 6, okay? 5, 6, and 7, and 8. So actually, we're holding the and. We're coming down on the 6. Rewind that one more time. So we got 5, 6. It comes down on the 6. Prior to that, we came down on the 5 and. Now we're coming down on the 6. There's a slight hold, okay? 6 and 7 and 8. The and 8 is I just kick and I just cross my feet, okay? One more time, let's watch that. 5, 6, and 7 and 8. That's it. As far as arms, same thing, not doing too much. So this is pretty easy to do. Moving on to the second half. Here we go. 1 and 2, 3, 4. That's pretty easy. The legs aren't doing anything. Now it's all arms. So let's focus on the arms. So we have 1, right on the 1. This, guys, this is my left arm, sorry. Right when I do this, I touch my shoulder, but notice the height of the elbow, okay? The elbow is at the shoulder height. That's the 1 and. I'm grabbing my elbow, I'm putting it down. 2. Here's my 2, okay? So one more time. I got 1 and 2. From here, my left arm is gonna go around circle. And 3, right when I connect, the other arm, the right arm is gonna go. And 4. That's it, okay? Moving forward. Now, this is 5. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Rewind that back. So right when I do on the 5, I'm gonna let my left foot go around like a circle, a round circle. 5 and, right? So I go 5 and right when I switch to the end, go around 6. 6, 7, and 8. One more time. Notice the count. Okay, here's 5, 6, 7, and 8. And that is it, everybody. Good. If you stick around all the way to this part, I want to thank you and I want to show you guys or reward you guys with 2 8 counts from the previous week. So now you're going to see Natalie and I do 4 entire 8 counts. Once again, my name is Ceech, guys. I'm going to stop talking once I start playing this, and I will see you in the next video. Peace, and I'm out. Hold on, let's rewind. Now I'm out.